Hi guys, it's me Princess and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's me Princess. Hi guys, it's me Princess and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun, close to the sun.
This is my friend, Sharil.
Hello everybody, nice to see you! Wow, look at all the smiling faces. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Well, I've traveled from Scotland all the way to Zululand till Antarctica just to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, I'm impressed. Now Sharil here is very passionate, but a little bit crazy as well.
Who crazy?
I'm just kidding. Okay, so Sharil, how many birds have you seen?
Okay, so last year I've seen about 1,000 birds. This year I plan to break the record and see about 3,000 birds or more.
What a show off.
What's not?
I'm just kidding. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's start our adventure and meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible minkrels. First up, South America. We'll be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride on the Tango River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red panda. Look around you!
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that's Adric and Farabi, and they are the scarlet macaws. Now, macaws happens to be the giants of the parrot family, and there are over 400 species of parrots found in different continents of the world. Oh, look at that! They're gonna eat clay off those walls. Now macaws have very strong and powerful beaks that allows them to even eat unripe fruits. But sometimes the toxins in those fruits are not healthy for the birds. So eating clay neutralizes the toxin. So amazing, right?
Right, no upset tummies. Okay, now hold on. Before that, Kaya, you're supposed to fly up there. This is Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw, okay? Can you see trainer 1 right up there calling for you? Come on, let's go. You want to be on stage? You need a microphone as well so you can present the show. Come on. One is very close to you. Yes, there you go. Thank you very much. Alright, so speaking about the sodium, that's right, no upset tummies. Okay?
Exactly. You know what, Sabrina? Let's not stop moving because I want to see more birds up close. Let's head off to Southeast Asia.
Let's go! Now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now, this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me check. Sharon, is that enough for you? Not enough.
Not enough.
Oh, never mind. Okay, so speaking about seeing more birds, we're going to welcome some very special friends of the park. Now, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome our beautiful birds. Hello. Okay, so right here with me, this is Higgins. Higgins is our green-winged macaw. Now, green macaws are actually one of the largest in the macaw family. Alright, in a very short while, we'll be having another bird joining us on stage. Alright, so Shara will be sharing more information about the bird.
Alright. This way. Alright, now this is Katie and she is a sulfur crested cockatoo. Cockatoos can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Sulfur crested cockatoo got their name sulfur because of the yellow coloration on top of their head. There you go.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, parrots make polite and make devoted parrots. That means they take advantage of tree cavities or tree hollows. Just like this one. Just like this one to build their nest.
Okay, speaking of nests, they'll use these 3 items to build the nest. We have twigs, branches, dried leaves, and even tree bark sometimes. Okay, what's gonna happen is that these birds are gonna put these twigs into the nest hollows. Watch this, okay? Ready? Let's go. You sound like a rooster.
That wasn't me.
Wait, Sabrina, a rooster in a park. What's a rooster? Hey, that's the rooster.
No, Shadow. That's your rooster.
No, Sabrina. These are Amazon parrots.
If you don't believe me, watch this, okay? Now, turn around. Can we do the sound of the rooster?
I should have known.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, meet Amigo and this is Quincy. They are masters of mimicry, okay? But before the birds mimic any other sounds, Quincy here would like to welcome all of you guys, okay? Can we please welcome our guest? Did you catch that? He said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. We're gonna get this one more time because someone will be confused. Okay, let's welcome them. Welcome, Parrot Paradise. There you go. Okay, we're gonna move on to another animal sound. So Quincy, how about we do that? Okay, he's still munching on his tree. Let's do it sometime. Okay, Ida, let's do the cat. That sounds like a very fierce cat. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you enjoyed this vlog, just give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the bell button beside it so you'll get notified every time I uploaded a new video. Bye! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you enjoyed this vlog, just give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the bell button beside it so you'll get notified every time I uploaded a new video. Bye!